Good morning, students. Today we are discussing special methods for the preparation of an aldehyde summary. The last class we have discussed one method, special method, that is Rosenwald's reduction reaction. There are mainly four special methods for the preparation of aldehydes. That one we have discussed, that is Rosenwald reduction reaction. Now we will discuss a second special method, that is an Stephan reaction. Second one is Stephan reaction. That is Stephan reduction reaction. In the Stephan reduction reaction, we will prepare an aldehydes from nitriles. We will prepare the aldehydes from nitriles. These nitriles are also known as cyanohydrocarbons. Okay? These nitriles are also known as cyanohydrocarbons. Cyanohydrocarbon means the carbon is bonded with the nitrogen with the help of triple bond. Those compounds are known as cyanohydrocarbon. Let us see the preparation of an aldehyde with the help of nitriles, that is cyanohydrocarbons. Then general representation of an cyanohydrocarbon is, that is R C triple bond N. The cyanide means, that is carbon and nitrogen is bonded with the help of triple bond are known as nitriles or cyanohydrocarbons. The R may be, it may be CS3 or C2H5 or that is aliphatic carbon chain or aromatic carbon chain. It may be an aliphatic carbon chain or it may be an aliphatic or aromatic. Then let us see RC triple bond N when undergo reduction in the presence of an catalyst called stannous chloride into concentrated hydrochloric acid. This stannous chloride acts as a reducing agent in the concentrated hydrochloric acid. In this reducing agent, the stannous will be, that is SN2 plus. In this SN2 plus will be get converted into SN4 plus. In this, and SN2 plus will be converted to SN4 plus. This reaction is an oxidation reaction and it adds and 2 electrons in the reaction, therefore it is known as an reducing agent, and it will, stannous chloride will be adds the hydrogen to the carbon atom as well as nitrogen atom and gives an addition compound. That addition compound is known as an imine. The addition compound is known as an imine, which on further acid hydrolysis, that means the hydrolysis will be carried out in the presence of an acid is known as acid hydrolysis. Then let us carry the imines hydrolysis, that is RCH double bond and H. When these carried out an hydrolysis in the presence of an acid, then the breakdown of an CN bond will take place and the addition of one oxygen will to the carbon atom and the 2 hydrogen atoms are added to the nitrogen to form the ammonia, and the remaining aldehyde, that is our product will be the aldehydes. Main product will be the aldehyde, that is R C double bond OH and ammonia. That is our product is an aldehyde. This method is known as an Stephan reduction reaction. Let us see example. CS3 in the R group, that is we can take the alkyl group or we can take the aryl group. First we will take the alkyl group. CS3C triple bond N, that is this compound is known as ethane nitrile. The IUPAC name is an ethane nitrile. Ethane nitrile undergo reduction in the presence of stannous chloride in concentrated hydrochloric acid. Then it will give the addition product. That addition product is known as an imine. Then CH3, CH double bond NH. Imines on acid hydrolysis. CH3, CH double bond NH on hydrolysis in the presence of an acid. It will add the oxygen to the carbon atom and adds the hydrogen to the nitrogen atom to form the aldehydes, that is CH3, C double bond OH. Then another product is the ammonia, that is NH3. The name of this compound is an acetaldehyde. The IUPAC name is an ethanol. General name is the acetaldehyde and IUPAC name is the general name is acetaldehyde and IUPAC name is the ethanol. Then next one, example, that is C6H5 C triple bond N. That is benzene aromatic compound is added to the and cyanide group. When undergo reduction in the presence of stannous chloride and hydrochloric acid, we can also write here the which are further. First one, we are carrying the reduction in the presence of stannous chloride and hydrochloric acid, and in the second step we are carrying the acid hydrolysis in the presence of water, that is in the presence of acid. Then it will use the compound C6H5 C double bond OH. Directly I am writing here. There are two steps, and in this reaction I am writing directly that the compound will be the one compound will be the ammonia and another will be the benzaldehyde. The second, that is main compound, is the benzaldehyde. Then let us take one note here. In the place of an stannous chloride, that is SnCl2, we can take dibal H. The dibal H is an selective reducing agent. Selective reducing agent means, suppose consider an example, and compound contain an multiple bonded. In such cases, the dibal H will be add the hydrogen where the polar multiple bonded are present. Dibal H full form is the diisobutyl aluminum hydride. It will add an hydrogen where the polar multiple bonded species is present. Then let us take one example. Therefore, this is also known as a selective reagent or selective reducing agent. Let us take one example. CH3 CH double bond CH CH2 and C triple bond N. This is an nitrile, that is cyanohydrocarbon. Particular name of this compound. There are 5 carbon atoms in the parent chain. Therefore, the root word is pent, and it is an unsaturated. That is unsaturated present in the third position. That is double bond 3E nitrile. Nitriles are present in the first position. Therefore, the IUPAC name is an pent 3-ene nitrile. When the pent 3-ene nitrile undergo reduction in the presence of dibal H, that is diisobutyl aluminum hydride, then there are 2 multiple bonds. One is triple bond is here and double bond is here. In such cases, it will add the hydrogen to the polar multiple bonded. Polar means, in these cases, the nitrogen is an more electronegative compared to the carbon atom. Therefore, the displacement of electron will take place towards the nitrogen and it will get the partial negative charge and carbon will get the partial positive charge. This is an polar character, therefore the dibar acetyl adds the hydrogen to the polar molecules, polar atoms. Then it will use the compound CH3CH double bond CH, CH2, CH double bond NH. This compound is, that is, further we are carrying the hydrolysis. Further we will carry the acid hydrolysis, that is breakdown of water will be carried out in the presence of an acid is known as acid hydrolysis. Then it will use the compound CH3 CH double bond CH, CH2 C double bond O H plus NH3. Okay. Then our product is an aldehyde here. It is an aldehyde. It is an ammonia. This is about an Stephan reduction reaction, that is methods of preparation from the preparation of aldehydes from nitriles or cyanohydrocarbon. Then let us discuss an third special method, that is Attard reaction. In third one, Attard reaction. In the Attard reaction, we will use the toluene for the preparation of an aldehydes. Here, toluene undergo reduction. Toluene will undergo oxidation in the presence of an chromyl chloride, that is CrO2, Cl2 in concentrated hydrochloric acid. The toluene will undergo oxidation in the presence of chromyl chloride into concentrated hydrochloric acid. It will use the compound and benzaldehyde. That is benzene as it is here, and C double bond O H. Then it will use the compound and remaining. The main product is an aldehyde, that is the main product is the benzaldehyde. Benzaldehyde. And the remaining product is, that is byproduct is water molecules. This is about an Attard reaction, that is one of the special method for the preparation of an aldehyde. These special methods are very important for the examination purpose, that is Rosenwald reduction reaction, Stephan reduction reaction, and third one Attard reaction, and the last one, that is fourth one, Gattermann's-Koch reaction. Gattermann's-Koch reaction. This Gattermann's-Koch reaction is also known as formylation reaction, because the addition of formal group will take place. Therefore, the reaction is also known as an formylation reaction. And let us see how the formylation will take place. When benzene react with and carbon monoxide and hydrochloric acid in the presence of an anhydrous, in the presence of anhydrous AlCl3, or we can take Cu2Cl2, that is cuprous chloride. These are an Lewis acid. Lewis acid means the species which contain a deficient of electrons are known as an Lewis acid. Once again I am repeating here. Benzene when react with carbon monoxide and hydrochloric acid in the presence of anhydrous AlCl3 or Cu2Cl2, that is cuprous chloride, then it will use the compound aldehyde, that is benzaldehyde. C double bond O H as a compound, that is benzaldehyde. These four methods are the special method for the preparation of an aldehyde. Another discuss esters will be get converted into and aldehydes. One of the ester, one of that is longest part will be get converted into the aldehyde and shortest carbon chain will be converted into the and alcohol. These are the four methods for the special method for the preparation of aldehydes. In the next class we will discuss and special methods for the preparation of and that is ketones. Thank you.